Hi, this is Jill, and I am going to teach you how to clean your brushes. So you can see I have lukewarm running water, and I have a small cake of soap that's really mild. And again, the water is lukewarm, it's not hot. It's getting a little hot, so I'm going to put a little more cold in. Turn off the hot just a little. And I'm going to work with my brush, just get a little bit of soap on it in rotating motions. Okay, and then with warm water in my hand, I'm just going to cup the water and rotate my brush just around. I sort of do this figure 8. And you can see the brush, quickly becomes quite clean. And then when I dry it, I'm going to dry it on my bench flat so that the air can circulate around. Okay, so I'm going to do one more brush for you. And we're going to do a brush that I've applied blush with. Okay, and again, I get my soap wet and I'm just doing rotating motions on the soap. And I like to use facial soap. I find it's much softer. So you can see the bristles just get wet, but not much else of the brush. So we need just a little bit more soap, I think. And you can see that nice circular motion that I'm doing. So that looks better, doesn't it? Okay, so now I'm just, with the water running over my hand, I'm just going through those bristles. And you can see the actual handle is still quite dry. I've really just cleaned the bristles because the goal is not to get where the glue is attached to your bristle wet. You want to keep it quite. And because this has got a lot of bristles, I'm just going to shake off the excess water. And again, when I let it dry, I'm going to sit it flat on my bench and let the air circulate around. Okay? So a really nice, quick how-to clean your brushes. Irrelevant whether it's synthetic or natural, I always clean it with lukewarm water that my hands don't get too hot, and I use a really nice, gentle facial soap. And it really helps my bristles have a good long life. So enjoy. It's nice and easy as well. Cheers.